Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I think we've got some sweet boxes to open because there are sweets in these boxes. Lots of different flavors. We've got a new company we've never ordered from, and then we've got some refill of some stuff that we have been sold out of that you guys will be excited to see that we have back in stock. So we're going to go ahead and unbox all this stuff, and then we'll give you the prices at the very end of the video so you know exactly how much you can pay for them on hookedonpickin.com. No need to email me. It's already on hookedonpickin.com. All right, let's open these boxes. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so I'm going to open the boxes. I know, I'm teasing. The new stuff is the end, but I'm going to open the boxes of the stuff that we're somewhat familiar with, but not 100% because I don't know what flavors are in here, so you get to find out too. Random pieces of padding. And we've got boxes. Let's see what flavors we have in here. Okay. This one is, oh, our little pink piggies. Aren't they cute? Look at them. Little pink piglets. Awesome. So we have pink piglets. These are called Candy Club jars, and they're $5.99 on hookedonpickin.com, but we'll also remind you of that at the end of the video. So we have different kinds of Candy Clubs, so you'll see them under Candy Club jars, and you can find taffy, you can find sour gummies, you can find sugar-free, all sorts of stuff. So this one is also pink piggies. So we got another pink piglets. All right, so we'll set that over here. Okay, what's in here? I think this is a new flavor. I don't think I've ever seen this flavor before. This is Jelly Shell Sea Turtles. Jelly Shell Sea Turtles.
Do they look like sea turtles?
They do. Look at them. Those are cute.
It's a sea turtle.
Sea turtles.
It's an orange sea turtle.
It's an orange edible sea turtle.
Little known fact, the edible sea turtles are orange.
Yes. So if you see an orange sea turtle out in the wild,
you can eat it.
You can eat it.
See a green one, don't eat it.
Don't eat the green ones. They're not healthy for you. Right, let's see what we got here. Come on. Okay, this one is a different flavor. This one is Bubblegum Bottles. Do you remember the wax bottles you got at Halloween that were nasty? These are not those, but they're shaped the same.
They're just more sugary.
They're yummy. They're tasty. Okay. Oh, this was our first one we sold out of, this flavor right here. Do you want to know what it is? Well, I will show you. The first one we sold out of, and the one that's... This was the first flavor we ever sold as well. This is our pineapple rings.
Nice.
So, and they look like little rings.
Yep.
Pineapple rings.
We did sell out of
Yep.
those first.
And this was our first sale of a Candy Club flavor. We actually sold these before we even debuted the video for them. Someone just found them on our store like right after I listed them. And they were like, pineapple rings I must have. All right. This one says pineapple rings, so we got 2 boxes of those, which is awesome. And then this one says pineapple rings. We have 3 of them, which is awesome.
Send some down to the store.
Yes, we're going to put some at our retail space. If you have not seen the video of our retail space, you got to check it out. We have basically an island where we're paying commission per sales to a local retailer. And so we have kind of a retail space where we're selling some of our products. So if you haven't seen that, check that out on the channel. This one says, ooh, this one is... These are sour pink Cadillacs, like the song. Pink Cadillac. That's all I know. I really don't know any other words. They're little cars. See if I can find one.
You used to have a white Cadillac.
Yeah? Yeah, you used to have a white Cadillac. Sold it to James. You can't really see the car shape, I'm sure, on the video as well, but they do look like cars. Pink Cadillacs. So for the car lover, like if they like the old-timey cars, this is perfect candy for them. I'm going to leave one of these out so we can look at all the different flavors at the end. All right, what is this one? Sour pink Cadillac, and it's sour. Sour seems to sell really well with the gummies. Jelly shell sea turtles. And last but not least, bubblegum bottles. All right, so we have 2 of every kind except for the pineapple ones. We have 3, which is awesome because that one sells so quickly. So we're going to set all of our candy clubs over here, and then we're going to start finding what is inside of our new wholesalers. So well, it's a different wholesaler than the candy club. Oh yeah, you're right, it isn't new, but okay, so this one is, let's see, try to get it open here. There we go. Oh, black licorice.
We were out.
We were totally out of that one.
People love black licorice.
I do not personally, but there are a lot of people that they love it. Absolutely love it. So, and we got some of Jelly Belly stuff to put down at our retail space as well. So, Dr. Pepper.
We were out of that too.
Yep, we were sold out of that. So check out the store. We've got more on the store now. Okay, this one says Dr. Pepper. This one says, I can't read it, Licorice. This one says cotton candy. Let's see what that one looks like. Come on. Look at that. Cotton candy.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous. Who's hungry? Who's like, stop! Now I want to eat all candy in the world. Just order from hookedonpickin.com. I will ship it quickly, swiftly, so you do not have to wait long. Okay, what else we got here? What in the world? What is this?
I bought a pet gator.
You bought a pet gator. It's in there. Did you hear it? It sounded kind of like Heather
So
making a
lifelike.
scary noise. It's because it's part of the family. That's why it sounded like me.
You're amazing. You are so amazing.
I'm cracking myself up. I'm sorry. All right, let's see what it looks like. Look, it has a little display. Oh my word! Look at that.
Pet gators.
It's a gummy pet gators.
This is what we need. Ooh, they're all different. Ooh, you can collect them all.
Gotta collect them all.
Look, they're different colors. This is amazing.
Ooh, they smell so good.
Can you smell that? Smell it.
Yeah,
See?
take a good whiff. Ooh,
Doesn't that smell good?
here's a dark one.
Look at that.
I want to eat it. I want to eat it right now.
There's no naturally colored gators
Listen.
in the entire box.
This one.
Yep.
This one got killed partway through, and that's why it's red. Sorry. I don't know what is wrong with me. Something wrong with me. I have issues. All right, so gummy gators. Yay, here's another box of them. All right, what other flavors do we have here? We have, oh, this is more cotton candy.
Beautiful thing to the store.
Yep, so we're going to send some down to our retail space. And then, let's see what kind this is. Ooh, this is a new one we haven't opened. I'm going to set it right here. You can see it better. Oops. Fruit bowl.
Bowl of fruit.
Bowl of fruit. Ooh, I think this is a new Belly flavor that we do not have on the store. This is our sugar-free.
Yeah, I don't think we had sugar.
Yeah, sugar-free Jelly Bellies.
Boom.
So if you know, like my dad and my brother both have diabetes.
Got Splenda, I think. Yeah.
Does it?
Splenda.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay, last yummy box. We're going to open the last yummy box. Just lots of yumminess. All sorts. All right. Let's see. I think this is a new one. I don't think we have this one at all. No. Sun-Kissed Citrus Mix. Oh, that sounds amazing. Like lemonade, orange juice, lime.
What did you say? What flavors?
Sun-Kissed orange, sun-kissed lime, pink grapefruit, tangerine, and lemon. Ooh. Yumminess. Ooh, I wanted to read, you know what, since this, let me check the sugar-free ones. I just wanted to read what flavors they have. They have buttered popcorn, cherry, green apple, juicy pear, lemon, licorice, pineapple, sizzling cinnamon, strawberry, and tangerine on the sugar-free one. I think that was the only new one we had. All right, let's see. Ooh. These boxes are testing me. Raspberries and blackberries. And look, they look like raspberries and blackberries. Can you tell?
That's awesome.
Those are amazing. Yummy.
What do they taste like?
Grapes. Raspberries and blackberries. All right, let me see. I think this one is a refill. Yep. Unbearably hot cinnamon bears. Unbearably hot cinnamon bears. These have been real popular as well.
You just mix those around with regular gummy bears.
Oh, that would be mean.
Church nursery.
Don't. That would be mean.
Watch the chaos.
Okay, here's a box of Fruit Bowl. And then we have a box of... What? Paul bought this flavor for him.
What'd I do?
Oh my word. This is amazing. Okay, so he says that the actual item of these taste like baby angels. Okay?
That sounds...
Of what this flavor is. You'll never guess which kind he bought. Krispy Kreme donut flavor. My word. So it has cinnamon apple filled, strawberry iced, glazed blueberry cake, original glazed, and chocolate iced with sprinkles. Krispy Kreme donut jelly bellies. Can anything get better than this?
God bless America.
God bless America.
God bless America.
Krispy Kreme jelly bellies. That's amazing. All right, so well, we have set prices for all of these.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all of our Candy Club is $5.99, and all of our jelly bellies are $2.99.
The only thing we have a price is the Pet Gator, but he's probably $2.99, but we'll have to see.
Yeah, so he'll probably be $2.99. So giant Pet Gator. So Gummy Pet Gator. So hopefully you enjoyed seeing all the new flavors. Like we said, we got the raspberry blackberry. Is it blackberry? Yeah, blackberry, raspberry, citrus mix. We've got the sugar-free. We've got the Krispy Kremes. Those are new ones. And then all the other ones, all of this you can find on hookedonpickin.com right now. So thanks so much for joining us for our yummy, sweet unboxing. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure you click that subscribe button and the notification bell so we know every time I put a video out. I do some live stream chats on Thursdays, so make sure you join us at Thursdays at 11 at Central Standard Time so we can ask some Q&As and you can get to know us a little bit better. If you are not a fan of sugar, then you can also get some popcorns. We have a lot of savory popcorns available on our store. So look up Bell's Gourmet Popcorn, made by an actual chef right out of Texas. And we also have some sweet flavors if you do still like popcorn but like the sweet flavors. So go to hookedonpickin.com, look for all of our goodies. We've also got a myriad of other things for sale.